My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
What's cracking, YouTube? Is me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor: like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. All right, so early sneaker review. I do not have the sneaker right here on me at this exact second, but I am on the way to the location that I cannot disclose. And I'm gonna give y'all a little, just some quick little views of it. And then when we get back from that location, I will give y'all some detail. I will give y'all your. Oh, I'm sorry. It just said that my iPhone is like damaged. I was like, that was weird. I don't know what that was about. That was weird. It just said my iPhone is like damaged from
water.
It had like a virus or something like that. I don't know. That probably was a scam. Anyway, when I get back from the location, I'm gonna give y'all some information about the shoe, some detailed information about it. I already got it set right here. So we'll be back. Enjoy it and stay tuned. Okay. First review we got, early review. See the white box. See the gold Jumpman, well, black Jumpman. Well, no, it's gold. Gold Jumpman, nothing special. Let's get this. Reads, Women's Air Jordan 3 Retro, Off Noir, Black Sale, size 10, which is a men 8.5. So you know what that means. Personal pair, no reseller here. I think the suggested retail price for these are $210, if I'm not mistaken. Pull that right out, put that right there. See if there's anything special up in here. No. Oh, got some extra laces right there. Got the white laces. Alright. And boom. Like that. And without further ado, we got the Women's Air Jordan 3 Noir. All right, we back. Sorry about my voice was a little bit low when I was doing that, doing the sneaker review. I can't tell you why, but just know it was a reason why. I gotta start using my microphone. Like, I just realized I didn't even use my microphone for this video right now, but it's all good. So I got some information off of sneakernews.com. Shout out to sneakernews.com. 3, 2, 1. It'll be right there, so you can just, like, you can read along with me. Let's get it. Close these ads. All right. It says the Air Jordan 3 will also be heralded for ushering in elephant print into the fabric of sneaker culture. Oh, will always be heralded for ushering in elephant print into the fabric of sneaker culture, inspired by the dry exterior of the large land animal. Elephant print has become of an Air Jordan timeless as long as it is used properly. Okay, so then it just gives so the retail price is $200, and the name is Off Noir, not just Noir. You guys, last year Jordan Brand introduced a women's exclusive Air Jordan 3 Retro, a black symmetric design with gold. As expected, it was both well received and criticized due to its proximity to the OGs. If y'all hear that little noise and ride, that's my dog playing with his toy. Where we at? With many left wondering why Jordan Brand's design team didn't bother with creating a new colorway. This holiday 2023, they're following suit by the original 1988 colorway with some new touches. Off Noir suede, I think I said suede too. Suede and coconut milk ankle collars and a new feel to the model, while the cement gray black pattern returns in its customary positions. This Air Jordan 3 Retro for women is expected to launch this holiday 2023 season for $200. Yeah, and there was some pictures right there if y'all want to see some pictures. Like I said, so yeah, that's it for that. Like I said, this releases in 2 days. Yeah, and then the 4s come out I think Saturday or something like that. So y'all let me know in the comments below if it was a cop or drop for y'all, if y'all think it was worth picking up. I do think I want to get it, but I reserve the right to change my mind when they come out on Wednesday. But I think that I'm gonna get them. I'm pretty sure. I like 3s and 4s. So, I mean, most of my collection now is 3s and 4s. So, anyway, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.